If this year hasn't been your best year, if you felt stressed, completely drained, and not very optimistic, then this video is for you. Because we're not going to allow this new year to be the same. No. We're going to make this year better and start on the right foot. This is not a typical glow up video. Because in this video, I'm going to give you the best tips so you can start the year in the best way possible and not let the devil of laziness win this time. Let's begin. Welcome to the ultimate guide to having a glow up in 2026 with habits that will transform your life. So let's start with the first habit, which is one of my favorite ones. Habit number 1, learn to say thank you. Learn to say thank you to people when they do you a favor or are kind to you. It can be your family, friends, or people close to you. This simple habit of being kind makes you feel good about yourself and also leaves a great impression on others. Habit number 2, invest in yourself. This is one of the best habits that I can give you, girl, honestly. Learning new things enriches our minds and make us better people. It also helps in your professional life because investing in yourself means using money, time, or both money and time to learn a skill and gain knowledge that will benefit you in the long run. And that leads us to habit number 3, learn a skill. Any skill you want to learn in 2026, this is definitely the year to learn it and prove to yourself that you can achieve anything you want with effort and dedication. Many people want to learn something new, but they feel frozen because they're scared. And no, you cannot let fear stop you from trying and doing new things. Here are some examples of new skills that you can learn. Learn video editing, learn a new language, take an online course that interests you, or learn any activity that truly calls your attention. Remember, this is your year. Next habit, which is number 4 and one of my favorite ones, financial glow up. And yes, money is a fundamental part of our lives, and knowing how to manage it is a very important habit. The first tip you need to start doing is saving your money. I invite you to start saving $1 a day. It can be $3 or $5, any amount you want. Imagine saving $5 every day. In 1 year, listen this carefully. In 1 year, you'd have $1,825. That's amazing, right? To help you reach this goal, I recommend making a list of your expenses and seeing which ones are truly necessary. You'll be surprised by how much money you can save by cutting expenses you don't really need. Habit number 5, health. I really challenge you to stop eating sugar and everything that contains sugar, like candies, Coke, Pepsi, sodas, donuts, chocolates, what else? I don't know, but basically all this stuff that contains a lot of sugar, and the sugar by itself, this is not a good food to eat every day. Alright, you don't have to eat this food every day. No. Just by doing this habit, your health will improve incredibly, and as a result, you'll feel better. Health is extremely important. Without good health, we don't have the physical strength to do things and achieve our goals. Habit number 6, skincare. I really recommend always using double cleansing to make sure your face is completely clean, okay? Even if you only use sunscreen, moisturizer, choose mascara on the eyelashes, use an oil-based makeup remover, remove all your makeup properly, and then wash your face very well. Also, a super important reminder, whatever cream or sunscreen you apply to your face, apply it to your neck too, okay? Your neck. This is really important because a lot of times we forget it. No, baby, the neck is part of your face too, it's part of your body too. Yes, apply sunscreen and moisturizer to your neck, okay? because we often forget about it. Habit number 7, wash your sheets and pillows. Wash them at least once a week. You can do it more often, but once a week is completely fine if you don't have much time. This will elevate your personal hygiene because obviously pillows and sheets collect dust over time. So yes. Habit number 8, oral health. I love this tip so much, and yes, brush your teeth at least twice a day. 3 times is obviously perfect, but twice a day is fine. But let me tell you something really important in this point, okay? Brush your teeth, yeah, whatever, but here we go. Listen carefully. If you only brush your teeth and not your tongue, it's completely useless. It's useless, okay? Because the tongue holds a lot of bacteria and bad odor. Ugh. And also make sure you brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes. Clean the back teeth well and make sure you clean every part of your teeth. Let's move on with the habit number 9. That to try new clothes. Yes, girl, yes. That to try the clothes you love but feel insecure wearing for any reason. For example, I'm going to share with you my little story about this habit. For example, I didn't wear dresses and I don't even know why. Well, maybe they didn't catch my attention. I don't know. But then I started seeing lots of dresses on Pinterest. Guess why? Guess why I fell in love with them? Honestly, yes, they look so beautiful. Oh God, they look so beautiful. And yeah, I wanted to buy them. But inside I was like, will they look good on me? Will I look good? All these negative thoughts about. Then I said, you know what? I'm not going to let these negative thoughts stop me from trying clothes I like. So I ended up buying the dresses. And I got them from Shein. Honestly, they look amazing on me, so yes, girl. And habit number 10, start right now, girl. Girl, don't wait anymore. We're just a few days away from welcoming 2026. Bye bye, girl.